Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both accounts ready. Sign into your Microsoft account and your Google account in separate browser tabs. Enable two-step verification on both. This prevents lockouts when permissions change. Once done, open Microsoft account settings and keep Google's security page handy. You need a clean session, so clear old cookies or use an incognito window if something behaves oddly. Now, proceed to the account linking section in the Microsoft site or the app where you'll choose Sign in with Google. Next, choose the option to add or link a Google account from the Microsoft service, Outlook, OneDrive, or a Microsoft app, then select Sign in with Google. When the Google consent screen appears, read the permission list. You want only the scopes required for the feature, so deselect optional items when possible. Authenticate with Google's two-step verification if prompted, then allow access. You'll return to Microsoft where it will finalize account mapping and ask which data streams to sync. Pick folders and calendars carefully. Complete the process by verifying the linked account shows up in Microsoft and testing key functions. Send a test email, open a synced calendar event, or access a shared file. If something fails, sign out both accounts, clear browser cache, and re-authenticate. Removing the linked account and re-adding it usually fixes OAuth glitches. Make sure to check security logs on both sides for rejected sign-ins. If persistent errors occur, temporarily disable browser extensions and try again. That resolves most interference issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.